Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Dear students, as we have studied the different categories of plants on the basis of the availability of water to them, these are the xerophytes which live in dry desert areas like deserts, hydrophytes which grow where there is abundance of water, mesophytes which occur in those places where there is neither too much water nor too less water. So intermediate position, they occupy an intermediate position. So dear students, today we will discuss some of the xerophytes and their characteristics. As you know that xerophytes are the plants that grow in places with scanty water such as deserts and sandy hills. So these xerophytes, they grow in those places where there is a deficiency of water. So they grow in sands, in deserts. They have to cope with high temperature also. It means there is a high temperature in those places where there is a shortage of water. So these plants have to cope with this high temperature. So xerophyte shows different adaptive features. For example, they have extensive root system which grow in search of water. It means these plants which grow in deserts, let us cactus, they plant their roots go deep inside the soil so as to get water from inner from the below layers of soil. So their roots go deep into the soil. This is their adaptive characteristic. Similarly, to minimize the rate of transpiration in leaves, so their leaves are reduced. For example, in case of cactus, the leaves are reduced to pinus, spinous, thorns, or some of the cases we can say there are no leaves in case of these desert plants. And in some of the plants, these leaves are reduced. It is because of all to reduce the rate of transpiration in them. So, dear students, besides this, their stem is fleshy. That means their stem is formed in such a way that the stem can perform the process of photosynthesis. As you see in the cactus plant, the stem is very fleshy. And in case of the watermelon, you have seen the outer layer of the watermelon is very fleshy, very hard. It is due to this the water, the sweet water that is formed inside the fruit is not lost through this watermelon. That is why it is adaptive measure in case of the xerophytic plants. So dear students, these are some of the adaptive measures in case of the xerophytes. Inshallah, we will discuss mesophytes in another video. Stay connected, stay at home. Allah bless you.